guys, I need to make a video about the risk calc, okay, because it's really important that you're using the Discord and you're using the sheet. And so when we come back to this date on the 1st, so that's 17 days ago, the crowd were net long, okay. Now however, on the 2nd they'd flipped short. So let's have a look at the S&P chart. So we have to come to that date, okay. So we need to zoom out. So we need to look at the 2nd of April, right? There. Okay. So there's the flip, okay? And we'd flipped on the risk calc, so you're looking to buy because the crowd had gone net short. And you would have done incredibly well on that move. So just on a very, 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 very quick video, probably not even 5-minute video, you want to be on the right side of the fence, okay? If the crowd are net long, that's unusual and that'd be weird, so we should be falling. When they go net short, we should be going up. And that 2nd date is your entry, and then you're looking to buy because the crowd are going to be counter trend, okay? And there's the move there. So at that point on the 2nd, there's your buy, and that's it. Very short video. Hopefully it helps. Sub to the sheet, sub to the Discord, and then you'll be on the right side of the trade. Okay.